Hi guys, Malicious Games, and today we have the Invisible Hand unboxing video for you. I had this for a while, didn't have time to unbox it. Still haven't played any of the Separatists. I got wave 10. I got wave 10 complete right now. So if I unbox this one, I have them all. So my collection is coming to a full one. I almost have one of each. This top unboxing, guys. Still love it. Still love it. Here we go. Let's get this puppy out. And here you go. Ah, nothing broke. Nothing broke. Did something break? Wow. I'm sorry. It looks okay. So they're sturdy. I tested that for you guys. So they're sturdy. Yellow engines. Thank God these birds didn't break. So let me put that there. Let me put this safely back. And then we got the large. We got the dolls. That looks like it. We got the cards. And we got the flyer, component list, invisible hands, and the credits. Additional rules, squadron keywords, counter and grid. Counter X. So you can perform a counter. You can form anti-squadron counter attack if a squadron is attacked. Let me put this quickly on its base. Everything seems in order. No missing dowels or anything. So if you guys have played the Separatist or the Republic, please let me know on which one you like most. Because I haven't. I have used the flak cannons, but just in the older waves. So it comes with the shield for shield dowels, of course. It comes with a salvo, redirect, embrace, and a contain, and some and one of each tokens for command dowels. So it looks like I have the prevalent cleanse, a dreadnought, and a carrier. Interesting. So it could be played as a carrier, as a squad carrier. Interesting. Hmm. Well, there you have it on its base. So I always put them at the back, like at the black, put them in, and then you have a shield dowel. Put them in number 3 and number 4. The front looks like it has 5 shields. Sides, it has 3 shields. The back, it has 2 shields. Weaker at the back, that's obvious. It has quite a small front arc, but the side arcs are huge. Side arc has 6 dice. Front has 5. I can't see it anymore on the other side. Beautiful. Let me put the knife back for the kids. Safety first on this channel, guys. So what does it come with? It comes with Admiral Trench, General Grievous, of course. And then we have TI-99. We have Tykes. And then we have some upgrades. We have the thermal shields 2 times. We have hot landing. And I've been reading about this a little bit. Hot landing, squadron with adapt. Don't exist yet. Don't use it. Jedi hostage. Very situational. Then we have the B2 rocket troopers. Once we have 2-point defense iron cannons. Then we have the titles and the ships. So General Grievous, when a friendly ship or squadron is destroyed, you may choose one friendly ship or unique squadron, a distance 1 to 5, and the destroyed of the destroyed ship or squadron. If you do, the chosen ship or unique squadron may either ready one of its defense tokens or recover one of its discarded defense tokens and then exhaust that token. For 20 points. When a friendly ship or squadron is destroyed. So if you have a lot of squadrons, a lot of defense token get resupplied. That's okay. Admiral Trench has 4 points on it. At the start of each ship phase, you may reveal and discard 1 command dial from this card. So it has 4 command dials. If you do until the end of the round, when a friendly ship spends only a matching command token to resolve the command, that ship resolves that command as if it had spent the dial and token at the same time for 36 points. So as I read it, Admiral Trench, you put 4 command dials on it. I think with all the different types, and you can, and if a ship is spending a token, then this command dial from Trench comes into play. TI-99, while friendly unactivated squadron is a distance 1 to 3, it gains counter 3, or it has a print to counter keyword. It gains an additional counter 1. After the performance of a counterattack, toggle the activated sliders to the active side. So that's good for the carrier. And last is Tykes. Tykes looks like an underwater creature. When you reveal a command, you may place a matching command token on this card. If you do, gain a command token of your choice. During the command phase, if you have a command token on this card, you must choose that command on each command dial that is to be assigned to you and show those dials to your opponent. Then discard that command token for 2. So there you have it. Then we have the titles. Yeah, it looks like 3 titles. The first one is Invincible. You gain 1 additional upgrade icon on your upgrade bar. Interesting. So defense retrofit. You get an additional defense retrofit icon on your upgrade bar. That's for 5 points. Invisible hat for 9 points. When deploying fleet, if you are in the play area, when deploying fleets, if you are in the play area, when you would deploy a squadron with swarm, you may set the squadron aside next to your ship card instead. You may set aside up to 5 squadron in this way. So Invisible Hat looks like more the carrier. And then for showing a squadron command, for each squadron you would be activating with this command, You may place one of your set-aside squadron with distance 3. It cannot move this activation, and if it has AI, increase its AI value by 1. And then the last one, Lucid Voice. Treat your rear hull zones printed battery armament as 3 red dice. The battery armament of your left and right hull zones are each increased by 1 black die and decreased by 1 blue die for 8 points. That's very nice, actually. And then the ship cards. I don't know about these designs. I find it very clumsy. Like sometimes the way the ships, one side is the point cost and the other side is not. So the boat 105 points. We have the dreadnought and the carrier. If we look at the dreadnought, they both have 9 hull. They both have 3 command, 4 squadron, 4 engineering. So why is the carrier have the same squadron? I don't know. They have a brace, they have a redirect, they have a contain, and they have a salvo like on the card pack. On the sides, they both shoot 6 dice. The dreadnought shoots 1 red more instead of the rainbow, full rainbow 222 of the carrier. It loses 1 blue die on the dreadnought, gains 1 red. Then basically, the rear is rainbow 3 dice, and the front is 2 red, 2 blacks, 1 blue. 5 shields in front, 3 in the sides, and 2 in the back, as I said. And so it's a dice layout again, the dreadnought, and the squadron armaments of the carrier is 2 black, while it's 1 blue for the dreadnought. So yeah, there you have it. I hope I didn't damage it during dropout. If I look at this, I really want to try it. I think especially with I was thinking about carrier, but the invisible hand looks like fun. Maybe with Grievous, I don't know, but a TI-99 looks nice. Point defense iron cannons. What does it do? Iron cannon upgrade. While defending at close range or distance 1 during the spend defense token step, you may force the attacker to reroll 1 die of your choice for 4 points. That's nice. That's really very nice. There you have it, guys. If you like it, don't remember to leave a comment when you play this. Hit the follow button, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.